Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 15 Pro and a Spigen case. This is the Liquid Air Case, which I did take a look at, but the version that was for a bigger device. So I'm gonna take a look at this one, just the same. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Now it does look like it has a little bit of a different tint. The other one seemed to be more towards like the black color. This one seems to have a bit more greenish tone to it, which I don't know if the camera is actually picking up. Anyway, so before I put it on, I'm gonna quickly mention a couple things. So you can see we do have a cutout around the buttons right here. So pressing them will make it much easier when the phone is in there. And the same thing goes for the power button on the other side. The action button is still accessible to us. And then everything is obviously in the right order, the cutouts and all that stuff. Also, if you have some kind of lens protection like this one, it fits over this without any problem. The reason I'm mentioning this is because some cases tend to have basically the silicone that basically covers the device go over the area around here as well, which obviously would interfere if you have actual solid block of glass right here. So there we go. Not much to it. Just a simple case. Fits well over the device. Also looks pretty nice. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.